Hello, my name is Amber, and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how to download books digitally. First, head to our website at www.boylepublib.org. At the top of the page under Books and More, you will see an option called eMedia. Click that, and it'll take you to this page, which reads, Overdrive is provided by Kentucky Libraries Unbound, a consortium of 96 Kentucky libraries that gives their patrons 24/7 access to a growing collection of digital media, all of which that can be checked out for free of charge. At the end of the lending period, digital checkouts are automatically returned to the library's catalog, so there are never any late fees. A hold can be placed on an item, and when it becomes available, an email is automatically sent to the person requesting the title. Cardholders can go directly to kyunbound.lib.overdrive.com. There, they can install the necessary free media software, browse the collection, and download up to 12 titles at one time. Boyle County Public Library cardholders have immediate access to a collection of ebooks and e-audiobooks from Kentucky Libraries Unbound. You may also download to your personal computer and also download to selected portable devices through the App Store. To the right of this, you will see links to Hoopla, Libby, and Tumblebooks. Hoopla is a web and mobile library media streaming platform for audiobooks, comics, ebooks, movies, music, and TV. To start using Hoopla, click on the logo. Once you're at this page, click on the Get Started Today button. It'll ask for an email and password, then it'll have you select your library and insert your library card number. Hit the Sign Me Up button at the bottom when you're ready to browse. Libby is a new app released by Overdrive. It has the same collection of titles as the Overdrive app. Libby is a new app released by Overdrive. It has the same collection of titles as the Overdrive app. It just has a different way to access the same digital library collection. To get started using Libby, click on the logo. If you have a library card, click Yes. And she will ask you if you want to look up your card in one of three ways. Select whichever works best for you, and look up your library. You can then connect your Kentucky Libraries Unbound account or make an account without a library card using your phone number. Once you do this, you're now ready to check out anything Libby has to offer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. What else are you going to do with your library card this month? Let us know!